I'm Natasha and I'm from Macedonia. First of everything, I would like to thank you about this opportunity to apply in this summit leadership in Washington DC, because I think that this is the perfect way to meet a lot of students and to exchange your experience with them. Last year it was my first year to go in USA, and I can tell that were my best 4 months in my life. This will be my second year, and I expect a lot of more than last year. Last year I worked in Morris Pierce, and I can tell that I have a very good experience. I met a lot of people. I traveling a lot of in America. I see a wonderful cities, and that is good that I have in touch with a lot of people when I'm back home. This year it will be more fun, more party, and I think that American people are so friendly with us students from around the world, because they are so nice. They can tell everything that you want to be, and they can help with everything that you want. About the work and travel program, I think that is the best opportunity about the students, because we are young, we want to have a lot of experience, we want to travel and want to have party, and we want to have money. So this is the perfect way. I'm a positive person, so flexibility, I'm a hard worker and challenging about everything. So I think that we'll meet and we'll see in Washington. Bye bye.